welcome back. Well, the season is officially over, and we have a little bit more snow. Not too much. So yeah, so we're officially moved into winter and snow removal. Well, snow removal once we get enough to actually go push. And yeah, so for now we're just going to be cleaning the shop. Oh, my tractors are all getting all covered in snow. Oh man, look at that. Oh well, I'm glad I brought them into town before the roads got too sloppy with salt and slush. At least they stay clean. So yeah, we're going to be doing some stuff in the shop today and around the shop yard. We got some cleanup to do still before everything's completely frozen to the ground. I'm just dropping Eli off at Mom and Dad's place, and then we'll get started. Alright, so like I said, we're going to be working in the shop today, and mostly going to be some cleanup. Got the big garbage bags, because when you're busy harvesting 6 months plus over the year, there's not a whole lot of time for cleanup. So then the shop looks like a bomb went off in it. So for today and next couple days, we're gonna take care of that. I got a fuel filter I gotta change on that Mack, and my brother's working on one of his projects, and Melissa's actually gonna be helping us out in the shop. So we'll see how much we get done today and carry on again tomorrow probably. Not exactly sure what else is going to be happening. There might be some other things going on, but mostly cleanup. And it always takes forever to clean up because it gets put off, like I said, for 6 months while you're harvesting. But we'll get it done. As little fun as it is. No, it doesn't feel like anything. You could fill in through the top here, I think.
Yeah.
Should be able to, right? Like I still got diesel in the flip tank.
We'll get a little thing there, put some in there.
Okay. I had to change the O-ring in here anyway, so.
Okay. That'll just make it a little bit easier to.
Yeah. Okay, give that a try.
Yeah, that's about where
That's
it should
normal, or what?
Yeah.
Half, and then when it's full.
And then when the filter is full, plugged.
Cool. Alright, so somewhat busy day today. We got fuel filter, antifreeze changed out. Dad had a window pop out earlier in the season, this one right here, and it's just basically glued in place. So I think he put RTV black silicone in there. And Ezra was working on like a homemade mill machine he's doing. He's got a project going on the side. So, yeah, we got the fuel filters and the antifreeze changed out here because the antifreeze apparently was no good. Because the day I was checking antifreeze in town, the truck was out running, so it never got checked and got forgot about. So I got that fine. So now we put a light bar on the top of this machine. On our 323, so we put the light bar on top. We put some amber strobe lights on the back as well. They're ready to go. So we added these two guys right here, amber flashing strobes. And that was pretty much it. Melissa was in here cleaning up for a while. We're still got a bunch of sorting to do. Like I said, when we're working and harvesting 6 months out of the year, it gets pretty messy in here. So we're working on that. We're going to get it finished. Hope is, yeah, you can probably see the ceiling and stuff. That's all going to get finished hopefully this winter too. That's all in the works, in the process of getting done. But yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there slowly. Can't get everything done in a couple days. So we'll be at this for a little while, cleaning up, doing different projects here and there on the side, and still got a good chunk done. That truck's ready to go, so when it does snow and we have to haul snow, it's ready to haul. So no worries there. This machine, we're just gonna hook up the light. We used it once already this year for pushing snow. Everything was good. I think at most it needs an oil change, and probably in the hubs down here probably needs a change. But we got lots of time because it's not snowing for a little bit. We got a little bit of snow this morning, probably about 2 centimeters, so not even enough to go push. Might have to go check some lots later tonight and see if they need to be sanded for tomorrow.
2 hours later.
So I had a good guess. We gotta go sand the parking lots tonight. It is, compared to earlier today, it's extremely cold. It's minus 20. Well, minus 15, and with the wind, feels like minus 20. But I'm feeling every bit of it. It's, we've had such a mild fall so far. It's kind of a bit of a shock to the system when you go from like minus 2, minus 5, and all of a sudden you drop down to minus 20 with the wind. So anyways, I'm gonna get started. I gotta go grab some fuel, and then I'm gonna head over to the church, and I got a couple lots I gotta sand. So let's get it done. All right, so I did a couple rounds already. Take a look and see how much we got left. Oh, we got a whole bunch. Okay, well this was a quick, easy night. We just had the one hopper. So yeah, pretty much, it's not too slick in here, but tomorrow is supposed to warm up a little bit. Like right now we're at -20 with the wind. And yeah, it's just this little skiff of snow here, like that. Tomorrow when the temperature warms up, that'll start to turn to ice. It'll melt a little bit and then it freeze again and turn to ice. So we'll put a little bit of sand and salt down in the parking lot, just so we don't have any accidents or anyone slip and fall. And yeah, so this truck right here, this is a 2004 F650. We just picked this one up last year, 2 years ago. So this has the same Cummins motor, 5.9, as my pickup. But this is our sander here. And the new strobe lights, obviously the orange flashing ones I was telling you about, there's on the front grille too, and on the back. But this is the sandbox here. So we used pretty much the whole, well, we used a whole hopper just tonight. So, like I said, easy night. But it's cold. I'm gonna go home and go to bed. Probably about midnight now. So I was right when I said I probably have to sand. So I'm glad it was just quick and easy. Didn't have to fill up the hopper a bunch of times. Yeah, so I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go to bed because tomorrow I'm gonna spend more time in the shop. So longer day than I thought it was gonna be.